Hey guys, Allison here with Novus Home Mortgage. Every media outlet's favorite thing to talk about is that home prices are 41% higher now than they were in 2006 and how that might be contributing to a bubble. A few things I wanted to talk about to kind of pop that myth today. So, interest rates in 2006 were 3% higher than they were right now. So, even if someone had the exact same home, their monthly payment was significantly higher. The reason someone would walk away from their home is because they can't afford the monthly payment. Right now, what we know is that people can't afford the monthly payment. Mortgages are much more difficult to get into than they were in 2006. Additionally, the average person in our country is earning 55% more than they were back in 2006. So pair someone is making 55% less than they are right now, along with their interest rate was 3% higher, so their payment is higher, they're making less money. That is ripe for a correction. Right now we have people making more money and they have a lower monthly payment, which is going to keep someone in their home and not contribute towards a bubble. If this is something you're concerned about or have questions about, we love chatting about what's going on in the market. Please reach out, we'd be happy to connect. Thanks for watching.